Hello students, I am Sujit Kumar Sau. My YouTube channel all about civil engineering. All are welcome. Welcome all the students and the guys heartily. Okay, today's subject is environmental engineering. Okay, environmental engineering divided two sections: wastewater engineering or sanitation engineering, or next one is water supply engineering. Water supply engineering we have already completed. Okay, and also we have provided all video in the playlist. Okay, environmental engineering, that's name is environmental engineering. Previously we see the video in our all about civil engineering YouTube channel playlist. Okay, next today's topic is primary treatment of sewage. Okay, today's topic is primary treatment of sewage. মানে সুয়েজে কি প্রাইমারি প্রাথমিক যে ট্রিটমেন্ট করা হয় সেটাই হচ্ছে আজকের টপিক। ভেরি ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট টপিক, কীভাবে ট্রিটমেন্ট করা হয় প্রাইমারি ট্রিটমেন্ট অফ সুয়েজ। ওকে, দ্য সুয়েজ কন্টেন্স ভেরিয়াস সাসপেন্ডেড ফ্লোটিং অ্যান্ড অয়েলি সাবস্টেন্স। সুয়েজের মধ্যে সাসপেন্ডেড ফ্লোটিং অ্যান্ড অয়েলি সাবস্টেন্স থাকে। বাই প্রাইমারি ট্রিটমেন্ট দিস সাবস্টেন্স আর রিমুভড from the sewage so that the working of the sedimentary treatment units may be easy and there is no disturbance in the operation of those units. The unit of the primary treatment are also as follows: screen, grit chamber, detritus tank, skimming tank, and primary sedimentation tank. Okay, 5 numbers. Okay, screen. First, flow the diagram of primary treatment. Very important, diagram is very important. Okay, see the diagram attentively. Okay, raw sewage coming from our kitchen or bathroom. Okay, raw sewage. Then next step is screen মানে জালি থাকে, জালির মধ্যে আটকে যায় না, যেসব সাবস্টেন্সগুলো থাকে জলের মধ্যে ওয়াটারের মধ্যে সেগুলো আটকে যায় স্ক্রিনের মধ্যে, দ্যাটস ইজ স্ক্রিন। নেক্সট ইজ গ্রিট চেম্বার। ওকে, গ্রিট চেম্বার অ্যান্ড ডিট্রিয়াস ট্যাঙ্ক। নেক্সট ইজ স্কিমিং ট্যাঙ্ক। স্কিমিংয়ের মধ্যে জলের সুয়েজের মধ্যে যে ফ্যাটি বা অয়েলিং সাবস্টেন্স থাকে এর মধ্যে আটকে যায়, রিমুভ করা হয়। প্রাইমারি সেডিমেন্টেশন ট্যাঙ্ক অ্যান্ড দেন 2 সেকেন্ডারি ট্রিটমেন্ট প্লান্ট। ওকে, দিস ইজ the primary treatment plant, and we have see the flow diagram of primary treatment. Okay, function of unit: screen to eliminate large floating matter. Okay, screen eliminate large floating matter. Okay, next is grit chamber to eliminate large size organic and inorganic matter. Okay, to eliminate large floating matter. And grit chamber to eliminate large size organic and inorganic matter. Next is detritus tank to eliminate finer organic and inorganic matter. Okay, first screen eliminate large floating matter, grit chamber to eliminate large size organic inorganic matter, detritus tank organic inorganic matter, skimming tank to eliminate grease, oil, soap, etc. And 5 number is primary sedimentation tank to eliminate finer colloidal particle. Okay, first is screen. The screen is first unit primary treatment plan. The function of screen to remove all floating debris like wood pieces, cloth, paper pieces, etc., fruits, vegetable, etc. Construction: the screen may be construction MS bar, okay, mild steel bar, rods, and grating, wire meshes, and perforated plates. Okay, coarse screen and medium screen, 2 types. Coarse screen are 40 mm center to center, and the medium screen less than 40 mm. Okay, 40 to 60 mm or greater than 40 mm. Medium is less than 40 mm, mind it. Fine screen, the spacing vary 1.5 to 6 mm. Okay, this is the screen situated in screen. See the picture attentively. Working: okay, cleaning, disposal, dumping, burning, and composite. Okay, grit chamber. Next is the function of grit chamber is remove the inorganic substance like grit, sand, other suspended material. Velocity of the flow grit chamber is kept low so that a detention period available for the settlement of the above substance. Construction কিভাবে তৈরি করা হয়, okay? Working, the switch from screen chamber is allowed to center the grit chamber and flow at a low velocity 20 cm to 30 cm per second. Okay, very important. Cleaning and disposal. Detritus tank. The function of detritus tank to remove finer organic and inorganic particles. Practically, the detritus tank is similar to grit chamber, just like a grit chamber. Grit chamber function and the detritus function is same. The only difference is the grit chamber is meant for removing the larger particles and detritus tank is meant for removing finer particles. Okay, construction. This is the detritus tank. See, this is the cross section. Okay, cross section. Working, the switch from the grit chamber is allowed to enter the detritus tank through inlet pipe. The switch flow through a tank with low velocity. The finer suspended particles are settled down at the bottom of the tank. Okay, this is the detritus tank. Okay, if our video like or love, please share and subscribe. Also very important, subscribe and also comment our comment section. Okay, thank you.